Um, I
Oh,
I didn't understand how you find that without a sample size. Am I just thinking about it too hard?
No, I'm trying to remember how I got it. I got 2.353. Um, it, it used the applet. I'm just trying to remember the details of how. Do you remember this, Anya? How to do this one?
I know. I'm trying to figure out. We said B, part B.
Number 3B. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Um, I honestly have no idea how I did that. Oh, yes, I do. I typed in the area. I think this is what I did. So the z-scores were both 1. I selected the middle area, and up at the top, I just put in 0.4.
Tell me why the z-scores were both 1.
Actually, I don't remember if they were 1. I'm trying to remember, but that didn't give me the same answer, so that can't be right.
Yeah, the problem is, like, when you do homework and you read at the same time, it's easier, but afterwards, like, you don't really remember.
Well, and I did this one with the video, and I remember doing it, and I was like, oh, that makes sense, but
There's
Fine.
a video for the
Yeah,
preparation?
that makes sense.
there is, yes.
Yeah, there are 2 videos.
I thought it was just for the, because it was for the, they had the quiz, the preparation quiz, the part 2 quiz, but I didn't see the preparation assignment. Okay, well, it's no big deal. I don't want you guys to spend time. I'll look it up and figure it out. I didn't get how you did that without the N, with no N.
Yeah.
I know. So, do you use standard deviation then to subtract that? Let's see. You can use textbook. Let's look.
No, I tried to figure it out with the textbook too.
I know. You know what I did? I emailed my our teacher. I had a question about one on the quiz, last quiz, I think. I had a question on how to do it, and I messaged him, and he sent me a video. So I'm sure if you ask him, he'll help you out.
Okay,
He'll explain it. He's so nice. So
awesome. I'll try that.
yeah, because yeah, he's like, okay, here's a link to the video. If you have any more questions, like, ask me. You know, he wants to help us. You know.
Yeah.
So, I know. Sorry, we're not much help right now because I think we're all confused.
You're like, I did it, but I don't know how.
I'm looking at the video right now. Hold on just a second. Let me see if I can find it, because I really want it. This is important for all of us to know how to do, so the fact that none of us.
Did you guys use that while you're looking, Erin? Did you guys do that other applet? Did you download the other, like the alternate one that he had in one of the videos?
I just used the applet that was in the textbook.
Okay, well, there's the other one. The teacher used it in some of his videos, and it is awesome because you don't have to even figure out the z-score to use it on
What?
stuff. Yeah.
What?
Oh, that's cool.
So it's
Where do you get that?
it's the address is davidmlane.com, and then if you Google that, then it comes up with like the Z table or something on Google, and you just click on it and it brings up. It looks just like the applet, but all the parameters are underneath it, and you can enter in the mean and the standard deviation, and then you can say, like, for example, that's how I did. What's the z-score for an observation of 18.5? Mm-hmm. So I just put in the mean of 10 and the standard deviation of 5, and then I put, oh, never mind, I did that one with the, never mind, not that one. The D, if an individual observation is greater than 12, I just put the mean, the standard deviation, and then I clicked above and I put 12, and it told me the answer. It just spit out the answer.
That is so cool.
So it's davidlane.com?
davidmlane.com. M as in Mary.
And Lane.
Lane.
Okay.
Right, lefty.
Jen from Grandpa that Rachel posted up.
Oh, did she? Was it the Muslims can just like?
Oh, okay. I think I figured it out. So, sorry, this is going back to that question you had earlier.
Yeah.
Go to my applet. So you do put, so it should be, z-score should be 1 for each of these, because the 40th percentile, what's the percentile, the 40th percentile for this population? If you're doing any of these problems, it's always going to be out of 1. Like, the z-score is going to be 1 because it's asking for the whole population. So it's going to be out of 1, that's why it's a 1. And then
Okay.
you put 0.4, and you select the bottom area below, so it's just the lowest, like
Right.
the bottom, the very last, or I guess on the furthest left bracket, and you put 0.4 in the area, and it will give you 0.235 because it's less than half, so that's why you just do the bottom. But so it's that farthest left column, I guess. It's not really a column, but farthest left part of the curve, and
Yeah.
it's going to give you 0.235, and that's how you get it, is because it's the whole population, so it's out of 1 for the
So
z-score.
the z-score is always 1 if it's asking for the whole population.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that's what I didn't get. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I figured it out. That's a good. That makes me happy. Okay, anyway, so I'm ready to move on when you guys are.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
So I have a feeling that this, if you guys find that other applet, I have a feeling it's going to be extraordinarily useful on this.
Yeah, well, I'm in his website, or looking at his textbook and all that. On the davidmlane.com.
Yeah, I'm in his. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now.
So if you do /hyperstat /z_table.html, I think it'll get you there.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, / what?
Hyperstat, HYPERSTAT,
Slash.
and then /z_table.html.
If you just Google David M. Lane by itself, it should be like the first thing that pops up, the first link that pops up.
Yeah. So, I mean, I just found it incredibly useful to do both things, and he was using it in the video, too. He was like, I prefer this one to the applet, the school. That's what he said in the video.
Perfect.
Okay.
Got it. All right. So should we start with Kara? Have you done any of the preparation on the part 2, or should we just do the whole thing together? Emily.
I did 4 and 5. I haven't done the rest of them though.
Okay, so let's go ahead and go through all of them together then. You get a week of rest.
All of them?
Yeah, is that okay?
Sure, it might take a while. We should just pick a few that are similar.
Okay, yeah, there are some that are kind of repeats. So let's just start going through, I guess, and then we'll skip the ones that are the same. So for number 4, the sample size, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, for number 6, you mean?
Oh, number 6. Yeah, sample size, okay.
Okay, so let me show you. Let's just do on that one. Let's try plugging everything into this new thingy
Okay.
and see how it works. So the mean
I exited.
is, oh, that's okay. I'll do it, and then we'll see if it comes out right, if you guys already have the answers.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I have the answer.
So the mean's 45, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the standard deviation is 10.
Mm-hmm.
So if we want to see what is the probability that it's greater or less than 40? Is that what it is?
What's the probability that the...
Are we doing number 6?
Yeah,
Is that where we are?
Equals 40.
Yeah, less than
less than 40.
40.
So let's do below 40. and see what it comes up with. Is it 0.3085? Is that what you guys got?
No.
10.
Wait, so you did, oh, I put 110 instead of 10 in the standard deviation box.
I
So
mean,
wait,
did you guys already do these before?
Sorry. Okay, so let me just make sure I'm doing what you're doing, the same thing. So you're doing the area from value, so you're using compared from compute P from Z. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the mean is 45,
Standard deviation
is 10.
10, and we want to find out the value below 40.
Yep.
And
Okay.
it comes up with 0.3085. Had you guys already done this one? Is that what you got?
The answer that I got for number 6 is 0.1587.
Okay. Maybe it's not working then.
And that was just using the formula where you have the x minus the mu divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of whatever it is, the normal, not the normal, the sample, whatever that, the n, what does the n stand for? N is...
It's the number of samples.
Sample size.
Okay.
So it would be like, what it is it's 40 minus 45 divided by 10. It's easier if you have it drawn out, but it's 40 minus 45, and then you have divided by, I did it in a calculator, it would be parenthesis 10 divided by the square root of 4, and then that comes up with -1, and then you use the -1 to find the 0.1587 on the applet.
On the applet? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, somehow I got the right answer doing the between the two using that other applet, and it just like popped right up on part 1E. Let's see. Let me try. Maybe that's because there wasn't a sample size. Maybe the sample size is messing it up.
That would make sense.
Okay.
That's what I got. I just did it all again. Yeah.
So you got the 1 point. What did you get?
0.18. But yeah, and I got the -1 probability.
Okay. -1 is the probability.
That's a z-score.
That's the z-score. The probability is 0.1587. I don't know how to use the new applet, so I'm trying to get used to that one. Using the old applet.
Yeah, just use the old one for now.
Yeah, let's just use the old one for now, because maybe the sample size, having a sample size is messing it up. Because he was just popping them in and not even having to figure out the z-scores. And so that's what I did on the preparation part 1, and it was like just cranking them out. It's so easy.
Yeah.
But
It seems like it would be super convenient.
But also good to know how to do it by hand as well.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
So yeah, if you type in -1 for the z-score, and then you select that area on the curve that's the farthest left, that gives you 0.1587.
Okay.
Is that
So
right?
we can just do either 7 or 8, because they're the same thing, right?
Yeah. Okay. So let's just do 7.
Sure.
Okay.
Let me get back to it.
Sample size is 4.
Okay.
Okay, so you have the greater than, less than 55 thing. To find the 35, again, you just use that same formula. So the top part of the fraction is 35 minus 45. The bottom part of the fraction that's divided by 10, which is divided by the square root of 4. And that gives you -2. And conveniently, with 55 minus 45, that just gives you do the whole math again, and you get +2 because they're the same distance apart.
Have those.
So it's just -2 and +2?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and you add those together, right, to get the probability.
I just put them in the applet again, but maybe that would work.
Oh, so you add the z-score. Here, let's see.
Just
Nope.
go highlight that area.
Yeah, you just highlight the bottom and or each of the sides, so the left side and the right side. And what you get is not what I got. Wait, what are you getting there, Anya?
Let me go back.
Where did my applet go?
Oh. Yeah. Oops. Oh gosh, I don't know. Sorry, I'm like messing up with my computer. Okay, let me do this again.
Why are you online? Can you shut that, please? No, I'm doing something educational.
Oh.
God, just 0.954. What'd you get?
I got 0.954.
That's what I got.
Okay, I think that actually is right. I was doing it wrong just a second ago. I figured out what I was doing.
No, yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
You got 0.954?
5.
Yes.
And yeah.
So
Okay.
you put
5 round. You would want to round that.
Okay, so if you put the -2 and the +2 into the applet,
Just highlight the middle area.
and you just highlight the middle area.
Yeah, and
Okay,
that's,
yeah, 0.9545.
yeah.
Okay, so we've got that down. And then number 9 is like basically the same as 6, except for you use
you're using a larger number.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's basically the same concept. So
well, you just do the
we'll
same
just go
formula,
through,
right? 50 minus
45
divided by 10 divided by the square root of 4.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
So yeah, it's 10 divided. Yeah. So the bottom of the
Yeah. So we got that. That's good. So let's move on to
number 10.
yeah.
How you doing, Emily?
I think I'm doing all right.
Okay. If you have questions and you feel like you're behind and you don't want to ask right now, we can go through it after too.
Okay, I think I'm.
So because the sample
just
size
keeping
on
up.
10 is small, then it would still be right skewed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But on 11, it would be normal because it's more than 30.
Yeah.
And that would be the central
Limit theorem.
limits theorem.
Yes.
Okay. And sample size.
And
Can you compute probability? No, because you can't do a right skewed with the probability applet, can you?
No,
I don't think so.
it's not possible.
Oh, for the yeah.
Because the number's too small.
Yeah. But you can do it on the number 14, right?
Mhm. Yes, you can.
And on 15. And you would do those just exactly the same with exactly the same formula that we used on those other ones.
Yeah, so those are both identical to the ones earlier.
All right. Cool. Let's quiz.
Okay. Do.
And he wrote down. I wrote down all the. He went through the whole quiz on the video.
He did?
Really?
Yeah. So I wrote down all the answers. So I just thought when we're done, I didn't write down anything except for answers. So I thought when we're done, I'll just check through and make sure we got all of them right. And if there's something wrong, we can just figure out why.
Yeah,
Wait,
that's great.
you
Wow.
watched the same videos we did? Lesson 7 part 1, lesson
I
7
think she's
part 2?
watching the instructor videos.
Yeah, I watched the instructor videos that he posted.
Mm-hmm.
The video tutorials?
Yeah, he sent the email out or the note out, right? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, and it had 4 videos on it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
So if you go
No.
to your iLearn board, it'll have like that little section of notices and announcements.
I
And
should
there's
look
an
at that.
announcement that he sent out that has 4 videos on it for lesson 6 and lesson 7.
Which is a real bummer because we could have done the same thing yesterday.
Oh my god.
Darn.
Wow. Okay, well, I gotta be careful and actually look at announcements now. Okay.
All right.
So are we starting the quiz?
Mhm.
Alright.
Okay. Good. Using multiple outlets, find the content and understanding the content. Alright. So,
To the right of. Okay,
Right.
so we just need to.
so it's 0.1745. It'll be 0.175.
Oh, you already entered it in?
Yeah.
Oh, it's point what?
0.175. But make sure it's right.
Okay, I haven't even read the question yet, sorry. Wait just a second.
Oh, okay.
Probability of like to find the common area under the normal curve that is right
So.
and left. Okay, so we're just looking for the middle section.
Mm-hmm.
Is that right?
No, not the middle. Just the outside.
To the
The
right
2
and
outsides.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to the outside.
Oh,
Right and
Got
left.
0.1745. So 1.17.
0.175.
left.
I'm getting 0.1745. Is that what you guys are getting?
Yeah, but we
So
round
0.175?
It's only 3 decimal places, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
0.175.
Oh, I'm
Okay.
gonna stop broadcasting our video now.
Oh yeah.